Hello everyone, my name is Mateus. I'm a physical engineer and welcome to the course Ultrasonic Welding Systems Maintenance and Getting Started. In this course we will learn what is important to ensure the efficiency of your welding systems. An efficient system enables a reduction in machine downtime and worrying less about the maintenance of the equipment. Would you like to join us? Shall we start? First, this is the overall course structure. The course contains two modules, the Fundamentals module and the Maintenance one. You can watch all the classes of this course right here on YouTube for free. Find the link below for the other videos. The Fundamentals module consists of 3 classes. In class 1, we talk a little about the ultrasonic welding process and how to care for the welding design. In class 2, we make a mechanical analogy between the acoustic stack and a car, as well as looking at the operational modes of ultrasonic equipment. In class 3, we talk about tuning and coupling, which are determining factors for the good performance of ultrasonic welding process. It's critically important to control tuning and coupling to ensure the efficiency of the process. Throughout this module, it will be clear how tuning and coupling directly influence the efficiency of your acoustic stack. In a similar way, Module 2, Maintenance, also comprises 3 classes. In Class 1, we learn how to perform predictive maintenance on ultrasonic systems via system supervision. Monitoring the operating frequency allows us to detect a frequency variation that indicates the need for preventive maintenance. Classes 2 and 3 are complementary and address the preventive maintenance of stacks that must be performed according to predictive maintenance analysis. In Class 2, we learn the procedures for recovering stacks related to deterioration of interfaces and loss of coupling. To complement Class 2, in Class 3, we learn about further preventive maintenance procedures. We will thus be able to understand how to diagnose defective elements and how we can recover this defective element. Be careful, the procedures of Class 3 must be done only when the procedures of Class 2 were not sufficient enough to correct the problems of the acoustic stack. Throughout Module 2, the structure of the maintenance processes covered in Classes 2 and 3 will be better understood. Now we know the course structure, we can start Class 1. Shall we start? The ultrasonic welding process occurs from the vibration of the acoustic stack. This vibration is transmitted by the sonotrode or horn to the part to be welded. The vibration transmitted by the sonotrode causes dissipation at the interface. This energy dissipation at the interface generates heat and the consequent fusion of the material. After the material solidifies, the welding process is completed. Okay, but what facilitates energy dissipation at the interface? In the example, we can see that there are some nozzles and corners. These nozzles and corners are ultrasonic concentrators. It's important to consider and include these concentrators in the welding design and adapt a specific geometry that enables the concentration of ultrasonic waves at the initial contact point. This concentration of ultrasound decreases the activation energy and catalyzes the onset of fusion, allowing the acoustic stack to operate with less stress. This whole course is about increasing the efficiency and reducing the stress to improve the process and maximize the lifespan of the machines. Welding success is an integral part of the project. In the next class, we get to know the acoustic stacks and begin to understand the importance of tuning for their proper functioning. See you there!